This innovative new tool makes your drywall projects easier than ever. TapeBuddy will save you time, money, and energy on every drywall job you have. TapeBuddy is made of high-density plastic, assembles with one snap, and is easy to use. Once the insert has been snapped into place, feed the drywall tape through the mud compartment. Fill the mud compartment with drywall compound and you're ready to tape with TapeBuddy. Just pull the tape to the desired length and cut with your drywall knife. Apply with mud facing the wall and smooth. Because the tape has the right amount of mud, finishing your seams is easy. No need for heavy and awkward equipment to work with. No more pre-coating seams. No more mess to clean up. Just pull, cut, apply, and smooth. What could be easier? TapeBuddy cleans easily with water and cannot rust or corrode. So no matter how small or how large the project, TapeBuddy lets you tape like a pro. Easy enough for the do-it-yourselfer, ideal for the professional. TapeBuddy, your best friend in the drywall taping industry.